We all have that one friend who teaches us better than our teacher. It's because a friend shares knowledge in the same meter that we can understand. So, we couldn't resist to create our channel Cad N Code, as we thought of sharing our knowledge and experience in the same friendly manner. Of course, we are not at all trained professional tutors. This channel provides content of most common technical fields of engineering, such as CAD software, Solidworks, web development, Internet of Things, and mobile app development. There are some more that we are still absolute beginners in. We make videos of do-it-yourself projects in each of these fields, and we may import some fun like tech pranks and crazy projects. We share our experience in making use of online playgrounds, installations of required integrated development environments, and gathering content without any paid courses. So, let's prove engineering is fun.